Welcome to the Nourishment Hut, your one-stop destination for all things health and wellness. Before we delve into the intricacies of diet and diabetes, it's crucial to clarify that we at the Nourishment Hut are not medical professionals, nutritionists, dietitians, or fitness instructors. The content provided in this video is purely for educational purposes and is in no way intended to replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. We strongly urge you to consult with a qualified healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or lifestyle. More details about our medical disclaimer can be found in the description area below. Now, let's begin our journey towards a healthier us. Have you ever wondered how your diet impacts your diabetes? It's a question that often crosses our minds as we navigate the world of sugary treats and carb-loaded delights. The truth is, the food we consume plays a significant role in managing diabetes, a condition that affects millions worldwide. It's time we start viewing our plates not just as a source of sustenance, but as a tool for health. Whether you're diabetic, pre-diabetic, or simply interested in a healthier lifestyle, this video has something for you. First, it's important to understand the relationship between food and blood glucose levels. When we eat, our body breaks down food into glucose, a simple sugar that serves as our primary source of energy. Insulin, a hormone produced by the pancreas, allows glucose to enter our cells and be used for energy. However, in individuals with diabetes, this process is disrupted. Either the body doesn't produce enough insulin, or the cells don't respond properly to it, causing glucose to build up in the blood. Now, different types of foods impact blood sugar levels in varying ways. Foods high in carbohydrates, for instance, tend to raise blood sugar levels more than those high in protein or fat. That's because carbohydrates are broken down into glucose more quickly than other nutrients. So the food we eat plays a direct role in how well we can manage diabetes. But what does a diabetes-friendly diet look like? A diabetes-friendly diet isn't as restrictive as you might think. It's all about balance, consistency, and making smart choices. Let's dive into the do's and don'ts. Do make sure you're eating regular, balanced meals. This helps to keep your blood sugar levels steady throughout the day. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. Whole grains, lean proteins, fruits, and vegetables are all fantastic choices. Don't forget about portion control. Even healthy foods can raise blood sugar levels if eaten in excess. Avoid foods high in added sugars and unhealthy fats, such as sugary drinks, sweets, and fried foods. Instead, try fresh fruit for a sweet treat or air-popped popcorn for a crunchy snack. Remember, everyone is different. What works for one person may not work for another. It's always best to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. So in a nutshell, managing diabetes doesn't mean you can't enjoy food. The key is balance, a mix of proteins, fats, and carbohydrates, with a special focus on fiber-rich foods. Regular monitoring of your blood glucose levels can help you understand how different foods affect your body. But remember, you're not alone in this journey. Always consult with healthcare professionals to tailor a plan that suits your needs. With the right information and tools, you can take control of your health. Thank you for joining us today at the Nourishment Hut. We hope that we have provided information on how diabetes impacts the body and ways to manage it while leading a healthy lifestyle. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, like our video, and share with family and friends. Have a terrific day.